Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 top altcoins to potentially buy here in the month of February. So as we can see, the market is down about, or actually it's up about 0.1% here actually in the past 24 hours. So it's performing very, very well in the past few days. We've been seeing a recovery, but we've been seeing a lot of bounce back. So we're kind of like in a kangaroo type situation where it's bouncing back and forth from a support to a resistance and back and forth, once again and again. So Bitcoin here down about 2%, Ethereum's down 2%, 20.6 billion in volume on Bitcoin, 11.7 on Ethereum. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's trading at around 43,500, Ethereum at around $3,000, give or take a few dollars. We're seeing a lot of these altcoins are down about 1 or 2% here. We do have some green. Avalanche is up about 3.5%. Then we have some more losers here, about 4% down. Shiba Inu, Polygon, Crypto.com, and many other losers here like Litecoin and many others on the list. Now, we do have some, outperformers here, like a lot of the metaverse plays are doing very, very well. Decentraland is doing very well right now. Axie Infinity, Engine, and many of the other ones as well. But we are seeing not everybody being up. Like Sandbox is actually in the red here in the past 24 hours compared to some of these other metaverse plays that have kind of boomed last night. So it's very interesting to see how they're differentiating and, actually different things happening in the same sector of the market. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you guys show some support. And as always, let's get into it. So first of all, on this the crypto bubbles in the 7 days, we're seeing a lot more red compared to green now again. So a little bit of a bearish sentiment here, but we do see some green. There's some green here. Tornado Cash is up about 44%. We have here Injective, which is up about 21%. We have another one here, FractShare, it's up 23%. We have Travala.com, 18%, and then another one here, Ellipsis, which is up over 17%. With some other, green gainers here like Phantom or Theta Network is here up about 11.8% as well. So we are seeing some green ones, but there's a lot more red compared to the green right now. So it's always flip-flopping. We're always seeing things reverse. Some days it's better, some days it's worse. And right now, obviously, the red is winning. So let's get into our first altcoin. Our first altcoin is going to be Avalanche, AVAX. So this one is up about 3% here in the past 24 hours. It hit a high here at one point at $97 and pulled back down. Right now, we're at $92.10. In the past week, we're up about 3% with the lows down here at around $75. In the past month, we're down 2%. Past year, we're up 153%, which is amazing. So this coin was trading at around $36 at the beginning of last year, went down to lows of about $10, and then rocketed on higher here past the $134 range at all-time highs. Now, since then, obviously, we did make a pullback at one point at the from the high to the low of about 50% drop or more, and now we're trying to get that uptrend recovery. We have to break through this resistance first around this $100 level before we can continue to push on higher. Now, market cap is 23.1 billion on this one. Volume is up 29% higher at 1.5 billion, and then our typical hold time is going to be 25 days. We have 56% buy activity, 44% sell activity, and it's ranked the number 7 coin on the list. So this coin continues to do well as more people are using their platform and figuring things out, just like people are with Solana network. So obviously Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, some of the top platforms to be using. Now, Avalanche describes itself as an open programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnet. So can this be staked? Yes. AVX rewards can also be staked, earned by staking directly on the Avalanche network, which helps secure, validate, and govern Avalanche while enabling the following features: fast peer-to-peer transactions, decentralized computation and storage, creation of new subnet blockchains. Now, participants become general network validators by staking their AVX on the Avalanche platform chain. Participants can also delegate their stake to another validator who then earns a portion of their validator reward. You can also become a validator specific to subnet blockchain by staking AVAX. So obviously a lot of you guys like to do staking. If you're a long-term holder and you're willing to lock up your coins for X amount of time, this is a great opportunity for you, obviously, because you can make some passive income while holding your cryptocurrencies for the long term, and you have so much to gain from it, in my opinion. So definitely something to be research staking, how to get into it, how it works, and the ups and downs of it, I guess you could say, on your own. So AVAX, first altcoin on this list. Second altcoin is going to be a gaming one, more of a gaming, I guess you could say. A lot of people are tying it to the metaverse. I'm just tying it kind of more to gaming. So it's going to be Engine, ENJ. Engine, very beautiful here. If we take a look here, it's up about 0.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.89. Past week, we're down 11%. Past month, we're down 25%, with lows down here at one point at 133. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 246%. So this coin has definitely been doing well in the past year. So it's trading at 55 cents last February, hit a high here in April at around 345, pulled back down with the market under $1 here in June. And then we saw a huge rally all the way up to highs of over $4.85, close to $5 in November. But that is obviously thanks to the October rally that we saw with the metaverse coins. This one kind of benefited from that. And that's how we hit those highs of about $5 before making that pullback all the way to about $1.50. Now, market cap on this one is 1.6 billion. We have volume up 22% at 210 million. 47-day typical hold time. It is ranked at number 37 coin or 36 coin, 64% buy and 36% sell activity. Engine Coin is an Ethereum token that aims to make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens, NFTs. ENJ is used to directly back the value of NFTs minted within the Engine ecosystem. So definitely an interesting coin. Like I said, in the gaming sector, I guess you could say, metaverse, whatever you want to call it, this one is definitely one that I'm looking for the long term, especially with only a 1.6 billion market cap. This could easily do a 10x opportunity in the next 5-10 years, and that would be a huge return on your investment, in my opinion. A 10x opportunity is amazing, as that would mean $1,000 is going to turn into about $10,000 worth of profits. So very nice to see this one on the list, guys. So then we have our last one, number 3 is going to be Axie Infinity, AXS. So obviously another big metaverse play here. This one is trading at $62.82. Past week, we're down 5%. Past month, 22%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 3,000%. So we talked about this one last year at the beginning of the year when it was trading at around $2 or $3. And look at it. We went to highs of 70, pulled back down, went to new highs of 137 here in October when the whole metaverse type thing was going on. So it boomed from 70 to 140, consolidated, then hit even a new high here at around 165, 170 area. And then we saw a pullback all the way down to about 50. So we lost about 60 to 70% of its value, but still an amazing coin. 3.8 billion in market cap. Volume is up 65% at 586.9 million. Typical hold days is going to be 24 days. It is ranked the number 26 coin, 58% buy, 42% sell activity. Now, obviously, this one is amazing because of the holding, the breeding section of the game. So you guys can take 2 of your Axie Infinity characters, breed them, and make another Axie Infinity character. If the characteristics are great, it could be valuable. So that's what people are hoping for, obviously. So AXS is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. AXS holders can claim rewards for staking their tokens, playing the game, and participating in key governance votes. So obviously, that is the beautiful thing about it. So that's what people want to do. So let's take a look here. How does Axie Infinity actually, work? So Axie Infinity describes itself as a play-to-earn game. It's a game where players can sell items, via the game's NFT marketplace, while also collecting tokens that the game generates. So there are 2 specific cryptocurrencies used in the game. First of all, the main token, Axie Infinity Shards, AXS, can be bought and sold on exchange like Coinbase. You need some AXS to play the game, but you can also trade AXS like Bitcoin or Dogecoin or any other major crypto. AXS will also serve as a governance token, which allows holders to have a say in the future of the game. The second one is going to be Small Love Potion, which we've talked about in the previous videos because it was booming because of some of the changes they made. So it's awarded to the player for spending time in the game. You can win some for beating an opponent's Axie or for completing in-game quests. The more you play, the more SLP you can rack up. So that is beautiful, a beautiful thing. So we obviously talked about that one recently because it was taking off. So guys, obviously Axie Infinity has some great content on it, and it plans a lot of new things to grow. So that's going to be our 3rd altcoin on this list. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, the meme coins. We always take a look at them. Dogecoin here still at 15 cents. It seems like that one's always stuck around 13 to 16 cents or so. Shiba Inu still down as well. If we take a look here at Bitcoin, down about 2%. In the past week, we're down about 1.5%. Past month, we're actually up 0.5% now. And then on the 1 year chart, we're down 11%. Obviously, at least we're not trading down here at the lows where we were at the end of January. So we have been seeing a little bit of a recovery, but we need to break through this resistance around this 46,000 area. If we can break through that, we can continue to push on higher, close to 50. Now 831.8 billion market cap, 34% of the crypto market space. Volume is flat almost, and like we said, 73% buy, 27% sell activity. Ethereum is down 2%, past week 4%, past month we're down 10%, and then on the 1 year chart we're up over 71%. So Ethereum doing very well on the 1 year chart, still doing well. We're trying to break through that resistance area that we continue to, not break through at around this 3,300 area. If we can break through that, we continue to push on higher. 373.2 billion market cap, 15% of crypto market space. Volume is down a tiny bit, 63% buy and 37% sell activity on Ethereum. So I believe that right now we're just kind of in a sideways market until we see some more news come out in the market in general that could either push it up or push it down, depending on what happens in the whole wide world, war or different things that happen, inflation, interest rate hikes, etc., etc. So, guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen in the crypto market in 2022? As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you get into. I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.